back up. Okay, profile and role it was profile and role concept. All right. Let's start the server. Log on to Sap GUI. Okay. So, are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. I've created my own account here, and we'll be using that. So let's start with profile and role concept.
Okay.
SU01. Let's start and for now let's just display. All right. So this is the login screen. I think I have to I have showed you SU01 working of SU01, right?
Right.
Yeah. All right. So here are the roles that I have added. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And after this, this is the profile. Okay. This was SAP GRC FN underscore ALL. Okay, it doesn't have anything. All right. So this is the profile. See here we don't make any changes to a profile, but let's open this. See all this programming expand sub tree. Okay. So as you can see, this is a long text ABAP complete ABAP language.
Okay.
Okay, that's why the profile concept was removed, and they added a new concept called role. Role.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the role. This is the PFCG screen.
Okay.
Okay. Give me a second. So as I've told you that we have removed the profile creating concept and instead added the role concept where we create roles. Template is given here. We enter the template like under menu option. We will enter transaction codes. Okay. And under authorization, we will maintain auth objects. That's it. Simple auth. We have to maintain the auth object related to the T code that we have added. Understood this much?
Yes, Amir.
Yeah. All right. So this is the now new concept role concept, and now we use this T code PFCG to create a role. Let's create a small role, and so that I can explain everything. So X underscore test underscore WD7. All right, for this class.
Okay.
Now, if we want, we can create a single role or composite role. So we will be creating a single role. As soon as we click on create on single role button, this screen comes up.
Okay.
Okay. Now here we have to enter test role for WD 7 p.m. class. That's it. Okay. Target system we don't have to. It is not important. See, we have to enter an RFC system. I will tell you what is RFC later on. Okay. In detail. So here that is, and here what we enter is like today's date. 12.06.2024. This is today's date. Then space test role space Amir underscore TST. My username. Okay. Now, in real life, instead of this test role, we add the ticket number. Okay.
Okay.
Then save. That this data has been saved. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Second. Also, there is a naming area, role naming convention. I would like you to, remember that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Please remember the role naming convention. It is very important. Yeah. This one. This is small role naming convention because we are going to start, creating roles. So we need to know this. Please note it down. Whenever we will create a single role, it will start with X. If we are
Okay.
creating a composite role, it will name will start with Y.
Okay.
Okay. And if we are creating a derived role, its name will start with Z.
Okay.
Okay. It changes from organization to organization, but this is
Mm-hmm.
the most basic, naming role naming convention
Okay.
that is used. So have you noted down?
Yes.
All right, good. So since here we are creating a single role, so that's why I started it with X.
Okay.
Okay. Now this data have been saved and see earlier this field was empty, but now it has been filled up. My user ID is now under creation, date and time of the last save. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
this information was filled up. I will show this uh, use of this inheritance tab once we have we are doing master and derived role. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will go to the menu tab. Here you can
Mm-hmm.
see this transaction, right?
Right.
Click on it and then enter the T code, whatever T code you have to add. I'm adding SU01 for now.
Okay.
SU01, also adding SU53. We will be needing this. Uh, SU01 and SU53. Yeah. Okay. And assign this transaction. Now see, it has two. And the information about this T code is shown here.
Mm-hmm.
See, just double click on it and the information that this is a transaction. Object is SE01 and text is user maintenance. Used for user
Mm-hmm.
maintenance. Okay. Similarly, have you heard about Fury and Ariba Sap Fury?
You have mentioned about Sap Fury for the T codes.
Okay, okay. We see if we have for normal ECC system, we will be using this transaction. Okay.
Okay.
But if we have to add anything for SAP Fiori Launchpad, like here it says catalog, group, and space,
Mm-hmm.
we can use this. Means we can add different types of actions through here. Whether it's for SAP BW, is for warehouse, SAP warehouse. Okay,
Okay.
business SAP business warehouse. If we want to enter business warehouse information, we can do it from here. Fiori Launchpad, we can do it from here. Web time to application, uh, this is also related to Fiori only. Okay.
Okay.
and others are here as well. So we can add multiple things to the role using this button. But for now, we will be using only for transaction. Okay, all right. So once we have added, transaction T codes to our role, we will go to authorization tab. We will leave the applications tab because it is used in as for HANA and Fury only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's forget that, and we will come to authorizations tab.
Okay.
We have Since we have added any T codes, we will save it. Data has been saved, and now we will go to change authorization data.
Okay.
See this plan version, right?
Oh,
This is in okay. I haven't told you about organization value, so I will do it later on. Okay.
okay.
Give me a second. Okay. Okay. We will do it here on. Yeah. Okay. So now this is the main authorization tab under PXCG where we have to work. Okay. We have added
Okay.
two T codes.
Mm-hmm.
Now for any role, there is an authorization object called this S underscore T code. Okay.
Okay.
This like I have told you that authorization object gives permission uh, or authorization or permission for any T code to work. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in this role, under S underscore T code auth object, we can see that there is already SC01 and SC53.
Okay.
These two T codes have been added through the menu option, and it was pulled into this authorization tab. Sorry, authorization object. Means the user will have access to these two T codes.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have consistent. Okay. So this is the after that we can see other. Where the expand all. Yeah. Okay. This. All right. So I will use this search option and open all the open fields. See this yellow, right?
Yes.
So whichever fields are yellow or red, it will open up. This button opens them up. Means we can see the information under them and what we have to maintain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now Under this s underscore sccpol auth object, we can see there is a one called activity authorization field called activity, and the other authorization field called policy name.
Mm-hmm.
Under this auth object, there are two auth objects. So we will have to maintain the values under policy name because it is yellow. So I'm giving it full authorization and save. See, it is green now.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly,
Okay.
under this tick, you can see this is green now. I think I have told you that what does the green, yellow, and red means, right?
Right, right.
Yeah, green means everything is maintained, means no need to make any changes. Yellow means at least one authorized field is empty.
Okay.
Okay, and red means uh, no authorized field have been maintained.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here we can see we have just changed it, and then what I told you about the status of the auth object.
Yes.
Okay, so we can see here that there is a one standard status,
Mm-hmm.
maintenance status. So this is the standard status. Okay,
Okay.
now we can see under here as well under ACT underscore group we can see standard, but now I will maintain its value. Means I will fill the value that was empty. It has changed to maintained everything.
Okay.
Okay, it means that we have filled up the empty fields. Maintain means we have filled up the empty fields. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we will do. Well, we have to do this for 12 fields, right? Instead, let's go this indirectly. Yeah, all the fields are maintained. Save. All right. See, I've told you about standard and maintained status of the auth object. Okay. Now there are two more. One is changed and one is manually. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's maintain some standard values. For example, here s underscore user underscore agr. You can see this, right?
Yes.
It is standard as of now. So what I will do is I will change the standard values.
Mm-hmm.
What I will do is display change documents. Okay. Yeah. All right. Just this one and save it. See, it is changed now.
Mm-hmm.
The status of the auth object is now changed because I have maintained an standard. I have changed the values of a standard auth object. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
auth fields. So this was that. Now let's. Okay. Now let's add a manual auth object.
Mm-hmm.
I can add. Let's say any auth object. Please mute for now, Monica. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, please mute yourself.
Sure.
Thank you. Let's add any auth object. Okay, let's add this auth object SHAUP and enter. See, we got another open value called manual now.
Okay.
Uh, Even if we maintain the values, give me a second. Yeah, it is done. Save and generate. We have generated the profile as well. So now we can see all the four standard, sorry, status of the auth object, standard, change, maintained, and manual.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go here. I've shown you this screen. This told you about menu tab, how to assign T codes. Okay, we are doing authorization changes only. Yeah. Once done, we can go back. See, authorization is also green now.
Yes.
Now we can, if we want, we can add a user here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's create a test user. Let's create a test user. Log on data. Says it is a test. Okay, test user. I will use a service type. Okay,
Okay.
and save it. Okay,
Okay.
see, this is a user, and I haven't added any role to it. Okay,
Okay.
no roles, no profile.
Okay.
Let's close this one. Now here, okay.
ये वाली स्क्रीन क्लोज नहीं हुई थी क्या मतलब जैसे
नहीं,
अपन बैक
okay,
यूज
मैं बताता हूँ. Okay, there are some command values that if we used slash o and any T code, it will open a new window.
Okay.
If we are using slash n and then the T code name, then it will close the current window and open a new window for that T code.
Okay.
If we have to close everything, we will use slash nex.
Okay.
It will close all the open windows. Okay. If you want,
Okay.
well, it is it's good that you pointed it out. So please note it down. You can note it down.
Sure.
Okay. Slash o means it will open a new window. Slash n means it will close the current window and open a new window.
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Done.
Yeah. All right. So I'm using this user tab. See, for assignment of users into a role, we do not use this tab in practical. Okay. But I'm just showing you if we assign any user here, the role will be assigned to this user. See, I've added this user, saved. See, this is yellow, right?
Yes.
If we are checking a role and this user is in yellow, What does it say? Users incompletely compared.
Okay.
Okay, means the changes that were made to the role
Yes.
are not have not been delivered to the user till now.
Okay.
Okay, so we will use this user comparison button.
Mm-hmm.
We will click on it and full comparison. That's it.
Okay.
Complete comparison of user master record completed.
Mm-hmm.
Then and see this is green now.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now we will close this PFCG and open SC01. We have the username here. Let's open it and check the role. See, it
Mm-hmm.
already have the role and already have the profile because we have already assigned it.
Okay.
Okay. Also that user comparison, remember, they can do it from here as well.
Okay.
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 All right. Slash and PFCG. Let's see what more. So this is how we have created a single role.
Mm-hmm.
Let's create
Yes.
it. Let's create a derived role now.
Okay.
Okay. First SC01. Let me remove this role. Okay.
Okay.
See this, select and click on this button. Delete.
Okay.
Save it. We can check that the role have been deleted as well as the
Yes.
profile have been deleted. All right.
Yes.
All right. Now we will go to PFCG.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. This was the role that we have created, right? S colon test colon WT7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I've told you about the naming conventions that we use X for single role.
Y for composite and Z for derived.
Exactly. So now we will create a new role with Z.
Mm-hmm.
Z. Z. This is the derived role that we will create, and we will keep the X underscore X1 as a master role. Okay.
Okay.
So here also we are using this name, and then we will create a single role.
Mm-hmm.
We will create a single role. Okay. And then now here we will add we will search here. See, we got the role. We have under
Mm-hmm.
this means derived from role and enter the role name here. Okay. And
Okay.
save it. See, this role is now what we say derived role. Okay.
Okay.
You can see under the menu option the T codes that we have
Mm-hmm.
added HC01 and HC53 are already present now.
Yes.
But still authorization type and user type are not correctly defined.
Yes.
So we have remember for derived role we never create the generate the profile.
Okay.
If we have to generate a profile, we will generate the profile of the master role and push it to the derived roles.
Okay.
This is how we will do it. Let's say there were two T codes. Let's add another T code to the master role.
Mm-hmm.
SU56. I am adding SU56.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. A new T code have been added.
Okay.
Save. Let's go to the authorization tab. I will select this expert mode. I will tell you about it later on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in the next class most probably. See, we have created the generated the profile for the master role.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and saved it. Now, once we have generated the profile of our master role, we will see this use this button, generate derived roles.
Okay.
Okay, so once we click on this button, see,
Mm-hmm.
you can use this to adjust the authorization of all roles derived from this row and generate the profiles. Okay, so all the information is given. We will select yes. Okay,
Yes.
and
That's
see at the bottom, authorization and profiles of derived role adjusted.
Okay.
So now we will go and check the that derived role.
matching the contract
See,
where this
authorization.
Mm-hmm.
with the
It is already
creator
generated. If it is green, means the profile has been generated.
having ended.
Yes.
Both are having
Understood?
started on this.
Yes.
One here
Uh,
means having fourth of
The
May.
everything that the only thing that we need to maintain in a derived role is this organization levels. This field, this button.
Cut off
Okay.
and migration. Then we send a change on single qubit, that is qubit 2 only, and in this case we have increased the T.
Give me a second. Selected. We will only maintain the organization value. See, when it was a master role, we have selected star. But now what we will do is we will select 100. Let's select 10 only. Save. All levels were saved. Organization field values were saved. Okay.
Okay.
The SSP and TP
And yeah, save.
that
No need to generate it.
number SLP note where which is saying that if
Okay.
there is a
Once done, see, it was not generated. So we will again go to master role
Mm-hmm.
and
here.
by having such a modification after this end date and
Authorizations.
want to extend this end date
Data
application.
generate.
That is
Yes.
the
Yes,
SAP
done.
modification. Now, in our case, when this change came,
Tomorrow we will study further in PFCG and all the roles. See, authorization tab have been successfully updated, right?
Okay.
And now here we will add our
There was a prospecting
user as well.
it was not
Okay.
having any change in its
I mean, yes.
We have created a derived role.
we try to extend the end date
Okay,
of this.
and
Single
Even if
role.
there was a prospecting
yes, single role and derived role, and I will tell you more about this because 2 to at least 3 to 4 sessions will be on PFCG only.
Okay. Sure.
But if we see, there is
Okay.
nothing changed.
At least yeah, this week and most probably next week we will be on PFCG only. I will tell you all about roles, role creation, because this is the most important part of SAP Security Consultant.
Okay.
Even if you are on GRC, you should know the basics of role creation and all.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, so we will be working more on it, and we will try. I will ask you to create some roles as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Instead, if you get time by tomorrow, try to create one. Okay, you don't have server right now, right?
Right.
Yeah.
They said
Okay.
that I will get access by Monday.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then note this small homework. Create a
Correct.
create a master role
Mm-hmm.
and 3 derived role for that.
Okay.
Okay. For now, just do that, and I will note it down, and once you get the access, you will do it.
Sure.
Okay. All right. So let's meet
Okay.
tomorrow.
Sure.
Bye.
Thank